Hi everyone, today my group will present about Microsoft Corporation case study. Let's start with company overview. Microsoft Corporation is a technological company that was established in 1975 by Paul Allen and Bill Gates. After creating basic interpreter for the Altair 8800 at first, Microsoft dominated the PC operating system industry with Windows and MS-DOS. Microsoft Office, the well-known software office that comprised with Microsoft Word and Excel, was first released in 1990. Over time, Microsoft expanded its range of products by launching products like Windows Phone 7, Windows 8, and the Surface Tablet, as well as Skype technologies in 2011. The company faced several key challenges and issues during this period. One significant challenge was the need for strategic innovation and adaptation to the rapidly evolving technology landscape marked by intense competition from industry like Apple and Google.
Next, this analysis combines the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats SWOT framework with real-world examples to illustrate their impact on Microsoft's strategic direction in 2030. Strengths: A. Strong brand recognition and reputation, particularly with Windows. This strong brand allowed them to secure partnership with major computer manufacturers, pre-installing Windows on most PCs sold. B. Diversified products which Xbox success. Beyond Windows and Office, the Xbox gaming console achieved significant success in 2030. This diversification provided Microsoft with revenue streams outside of traditional PC software, but also presented challenges in keeping up with the fast-paced gaming industry. Weaknesses: A. Overdependence on PC market with Windows 8. The launch of Windows 8 in 2012 was a misstep. Its user interface, designed for touchscreen, was well received on traditional PCs. This overdependence on the PC market, coupled with a product that did meet user needs, highlighted the need for Microsoft to adapt to changing consumer preference. B. Difficult competing with free open source software. The rise of free and open source software like Linux presented a challenge to Microsoft's paid software model. This case exemplifies the weakness of not having readily available free alternatives for some products. Opportunities: A. Missed opportunity with mobile. In 2030, Microsoft acquired Nokia's mobile phone business to capture a share of the growing smartphone market. However, Microsoft struggled to compete with established players like Apple and Google, highlighting a missed opportunity to capitalize on the mobile revolution. B. Cloud computing with Office 365 launch. Recognizing the shift towards cloud-based services, Microsoft launched Office 365 in 2030. This provided a subscription-based model for accessing Office applications through the cloud, showcasing their ability to adapt to new business models. A. Intense competition from Apple. Apple's iOS operating system and dominance in the tablet market, with the iPad pose a significant threat to Microsoft Windows and Surface tablet efforts. This intense competition forced Microsoft to innovate and differentiate their products. P. Disruption from new technologies with rise of tablets. The rise of tablets, like the iPad, disrupted the traditional PC market that Microsoft relied on. This trend highlighted the need for them to develop new market categories and adapt to changing consumer behavior.
The pasted analysis is used to analyze the political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal. First up, the political arena. Government regulation can significantly impact businesses. In 2013, Microsoft faced a hefty €730 million fine from the European Union for unfairly bundling Internet Explorer with Windows. This case highlights how government policies can influence Microsoft business practices and force them to adapt. Next, let's look at the economic climate. Stagnant global economic growth and a shift toward mobile devices caused the PC market to slow down in 2013. This means Microsoft had to diversify its revenue stream beyond traditional PC software sales. Socially, the growing demand for mobile devices and internet access presented both challenges and opportunities. The bring your own device trend forced Microsoft to adjust. Employees using personal smartphones and tablets for work mean Microsoft need mobile-friendly version of their software and flexible licensing model. Technology is ever evolving, and in 2013, the rise of cloud computing disrupted traditional software models. The popularity of cloud services like Google Apps threatened Microsoft Office suite dominance. Microsoft responded with Office 365, a subscription-based cloud version of Office, showcasing the need to adapt the technological advancement. Environmental regulation also played a role. Growing e-waste regulation in 2013 presented challenges for Microsoft hardware operation. This highlights the need for sustainable practices and responsible product design. Finally, the legal battle against software piracy remains a significant concern. Piracy of Windows and Office software means lost revenue, forcing Microsoft to develop new licensing model and anti-piracy measures.
Microsoft mission to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. This mission emphasizes the value proposition of empowering customers through the company's information, technology, product and service. The target market is all persons and organizations globally. Microsoft vision to help people and business throughout the world realize their full potential. This vision statement reflects the company's focus on helping customers achieve their goals and emphasize the value proposition of its product in supporting personal and organizational development. Microsoft goal: first, develop innovative and user-friendly technology, product and service. Second, expand their reach to empower individuals and organizations worldwide. Last, foster a culture of inclusion and diversity to drive further innovation. Microsoft competitive strategy. First is broad differentiation. Microsoft offers a wide range of product and service catering to various needs, from operating system, which is Windows, to productivity suites, Microsoft Office, to cloud computing, Azure. Second, continuous product innovation. They focus on constantly improving and developing new products to stay ahead of the competition. Last, market penetration. They strive to increase their market share by reaching new customers and expanding in the new markets. Microsoft primarily utilize a differentiation strategy with element of broad differentiation. First is focus on unique value proposition. Microsoft does not compete solely on price. Instead, they focus on offering products and services with features and functionalities that are different from other competitors. This can be seen in the user-friendly interface of Windows and the extensive features of Microsoft Office compared to some free alternatives. Second, broad market target. Their product cater to a wide range of users from individual consumers to large corporations. This is different from a focus strategy which target a specific niche market. Microsoft also employs differentiation strategy by offering high-end and sophisticated products such as Microsoft Azure, Dynamics, and Windows Server. These products are designed for advanced users and business and are characterized by high levels of research, development, consulting, and implementation. This approach allows Microsoft to command premium price and maintain a competitive advantage through its unique offerings.
The children strategies have 3 key points. The first one is implementation and execution. Second one, challenges in translating strategy into action. And the last one, success in translating strategy into action. The first point for implementation and execution is cloud computing expansion. Microsoft aggressively invested in its cloud infrastructure, particularly Azure. To compete with AWS, they leveraged their existing enterprise relationships and software solutions like Office 365 to integrate with Azure service. And the execution, they execute this through strategic acquisitions, partnerships, and global expansion of data centers. The second one is open source and developer engagement. Microsoft embraced open source software, contributing to projects and making some of its own products open source. The execution actions included acquiring GitHub and engaging more actively with the developer community. The third one is focus on AI and machine learning. Microsoft incorporated AI capabilities into its products, such as Cortana, and invested heavily in AI research and development. This was achieved through acquisitions of AI startups, partnerships with universities, and the development of Azure AI service. Next, expansion of gaming and entertainment. Focus on expanding Xbox as a platform and integrating it with other Microsoft services. It's executed through acquisitions of gaming studios, the development of Xbox Game Pass, and the integration of Xbox with Azure for cloud gaming. And the last one for the implementation and execution is shift to subscription-based models. It transitioned key products like Office from a one-time purchase to subscription-based service, Office 365. And the execution, this required changes in sales strategies, customer education, and the development of a robust, scalable cloud infrastructure. Next, we move to challenges in translating strategy into action. First of all, cultural transformation. Shifting from traditionally closed-source, product-centric company to an open-source, service-oriented one required significant internal cultural changes. This involved retraining employees, changing long-standing practice, and aligning new values with business goals. Integration of acquisition. Successfully integrating acquired company, example Linked, GitHub, into Microsoft's ecosystem without disrupting their operational independence posed a challenge. Ensuring synergy while maintaining the acquired company's unique cultures and operational efficiencies was complex. Next, market competition. Competing against established players like AWS in the cloud space and Google in AI and productivity software was challenging. required continuous innovation, competitive pricing strategies, and maintaining high service reliability and performance. For customer transition, moving customers from traditional licensing to subscription-based models face resistance and required substantial customer education and support. It ensures smooth transitions without significant disruptions in service or customer satisfaction was critical. And the last point for challenges in translating strategy into action is global expansion. Expanding data centers globally brought regulatory and compliance challenges, particularly related to data sovereignty and privacy laws. Ensuring consistent service quality and meeting local regulatory requirements required meticulous planning and local expertise. Next, we move to successes in translating strategy into action. The first point is revenue growth. Significant growth in revenue from cloud service, particularly Azure, which became a key revenue driver. Subscription-based service like Office 365 saw high adoption rates, contributing to steady revenue streams. For market position, establishing Azure as a leading cloud service provider alongside AWS with a strong portfolio of enterprise clients, enhanced positions in the AI space through strategic investment and partnership. Next, customer satisfaction. Positive feedback on integrated service and solutions leading to strong customer retention and growth. It has fully adoption of subscription models indicated by high renewal rates and customer satisfaction scores. Developer community engagement. Increased goodwill and engagement from the developer community due to open source contributions and GitHub acquisitions. Position as a more developer-friendly company which attracted talent, fostered innovation. And the last one, gaming ecosystem. Expansion of the Xbox ecosystem with the success of Xbox Game Pass, increasing subscriber base and revenue. Strategic acquisitions of game studios enrich the gaming portfolio and enhance content offerings.
Now, let's continue with strategic control and evaluations. First off, Microsoft set performance benchmark using both qualitative and quantitative factors. These criteria are frequently connected to market success, such as Surface tablet sales numbers, product performance, such as Windows 8 adoption rates, and financial performance, such as revenues and operating income from various segments. These standards are determined by taking into account past performance, which includes using historical performance data to set both challenging and realistic goals. Industry benchmark involving comparing against best practice and industry average, and core competency involving utilizing Microsoft's special strengths and capabilities. Second, measuring performance standards. Microsoft measures performance against predetermined standards using segment reports and financial statements. Critical performance indicators include revenue growth, market share, R&D expenditures, and product success. Revenue growth. Revenue growth is one of the key performance indicator (KPIs) that is monitored across several business divisions, including hardware, software, and cloud service. These aid Microsoft in tracking market change that have an impact on revenue and identifying which business units are expanding and adding to the profitability of the organization. Microsoft can assess the effect of new investment, sales, and marketing tactics on overall profitability by examining revenue growth. Market share. Microsoft analyzes its market share by examining changes in the market position for key Microsoft products such as the Windows operating system, Azure Cloud Service, and Office product. This helped Microsoft understand its competitive positioning against rivals like Apple, Google, and Amazon. Microsoft may improve competitiveness and draw in more customers by modifying its product and marketing strategies in response to changes in market share. R&D expenditures. Microsoft monitors investment in research and development to ensure continuous innovation. This includes costs for developing new technologies, improving existing products, and innovative products. Investment in R&D is crucial for maintaining long-term competitiveness and ensuring Microsoft continues to lead in technology. By analyzing R&D expenditures, Microsoft can assess the effectiveness of these investments in generating innovative products and maintaining market leadership. Product success. Product success is measured based on adoption rates and customer feedback. This involves collecting data on how customers use new products and their feedback on performance and satisfaction. Evaluating the success of new product launch helps Microsoft understand market acceptance and identify any issues that need improvement. By analyzing product success, Microsoft can make necessary adjustments in product and marketing strategy to increase adoption and customer satisfaction. Third, analyzing variance. When performance deviated from expectation, it's essential to understand why. This involves exploring various factors to pinpoint the root cause. For example, internal factors and external factors. For internal factors, if a product launch doesn't go as planned, it could be due to problems in how the product was rolled out. Perhaps the marketing campaign wasn't effective or distribution channels weren't optimized. Sometimes the product itself may have flaws. For example, the Surface tablet might not have met user expectation in terms of features or usability. There could be a misalignment between different departments. For example, if the marketing teams isn't effectively communicating with the product development team, the final product might not align with market demand. External factors. The technology market is constantly evolving. If there sudden shift in customer preference, such as preference for smartphone over tablets, it can affect product performance. Action by competitors like Apple or Google launching a superior product can impact Microsoft market shares and sales. Broader economic conditions such as recessions can reduce customer spending, impacting sales across the board. Fourth, taking appropriate action. First, Surface tablet. When the Surface tablet initially underperformed, Microsoft reviewed its pricing strategies. They might have realized the tablet was priced too high compared to the competitor. Adjusting the price to more competitive level could help attract more customers. They enhanced their marketing campaign, emphasizing the unique features of the Surface tablet and how it stands out from competitors. This could involve more aggressive advertising, better promotional deals, or partnership with retail stores. Second, shift to cloud computing. In response to declining PC sales, they redirect focus and resource toward their cloud service like Azure. This means investing more in cloud infrastructure, hiring experts in cloud technology, and developing new features to make their cloud service more attractive. They shifted their strategy focus from being primarily a software company to becoming a leader in cloud service. This included rebranding and aligning their corporate strategy to emphasize their strength in cloud computing. Now, let's move to effectiveness of this control mechanism. Through diversification into corporate solution, cloud service and tablet, Microsoft has effectively addressed potential risks associated with a decline in PC sales. Their strong financial performance, which is characterized by steady revenue growth and large R&D spending, is indicative of this. Their proactive response to the Surface tablet poor performance, which included changes to price and marketing, further demonstrate their dedication to ongoing development and strategy adaptabilities.
Next is lessons learned. There are some lessons that we can learn from the case study. First is pricing strategy and market positioning. In analyzing Microsoft's strategy, one significant lesson learned pertains to pricing and market positioning, notably observed during the launch of their Surface tablet. Initially, Microsoft priced the Surface competitively against Apple's iPad without sufficiently differentiating its value proposition. This resulted in lower than expected sales and challenges in gaining market traction. The lesson here is clear. When entering a competitive market, it's crucial to not only price products competitively but also ensure they offer unique value that resonates with consumers. Second is product diversification. Another key takeaway from Microsoft's strategic decisions involves product diversification. Facing a decline in the PC market, Microsoft strategically shifted focus towards mobile platforms and cloud services. Investments in products like Windows Azure for cloud computing and Windows Phone for mobile devices were pivotal in diversifying their revenue streams and adapting to evolving market trends. This lesson emphasizes the importance of diversifying product lines to mitigate risks associated with dependence on a single product category. The third is acquisition strategy. Microsoft's acquisition strategy, exemplified by the purchase of Skype, highlights both successes and challenges in strategic acquisitions. While integrating Skype's communication tools into Microsoft's ecosystem was beneficial, the high acquisition cost and overlap with existing services posed integration challenges. The lesson learned underscores the necessity for thorough due diligence and strategic alignment in acquisitions to maximize synergies and avoid redundancy. The last one is organizational structure. Microsoft's transition to a division-by-function organizational structure reflects a strategic adaptation to enhance collaboration and focus on core areas such as operating systems, applications, cloud technology, and devices. This restructuring was instrumental in improving operational efficiency and aligning with strategic priorities. The lesson here is the importance of periodically reassessing and adapting organizational structures to optimize performance and support strategic goals. Next is recommendations. There are some recommendations that we can suggest to Microsoft Corporation. The first one is enhance competitive pricing and value proposition. To improve market competitiveness, Microsoft should reassess its pricing strategies, particularly for products like the Surface tablet. Emphasizing unique value propositions and innovative features can justify premium pricing and differentiate Microsoft's offerings in the market. Second is strengthen cloud and mobile offerings. Continued investment in cloud services such as Azure and enhancing capabilities in mobile platforms like Windows Phone are critical for Microsoft's growth strategy. By expanding these offerings and fostering a robust ecosystem of apps and services, Microsoft can strengthen its position in the competitive cloud and mobile markets. The third is strategic acquisitions and partnerships. Microsoft should pursue strategic acquisitions that align closely with its core business objectives and offer clear synergies. Detailed integration plans and rigorous due diligence are essential to maximize the value derived from acquisitions. Additionally, fostering strategic partnerships can enhance Microsoft's product portfolio and extend its market reach. Next is organizational agility and innovation. To maintain agility and foster innovation, Microsoft should continue optimizing its organizational structure, encouraging a culture of continuous improvement and investing in R&D will enable Microsoft to adapt swiftly to market changes and technological advancements. The last one is focus on emerging markets. Targeting emerging markets with tailored strategies and localized offerings will be crucial for Microsoft's global expansion. Developing affordable product variants and forming strategic partnerships with local entities can help Microsoft capture market share and drive growth in these dynamic regions. In conclusion, Microsoft has effectively leveraged its strengths in technology innovation and market leadership through significant investments in research and development, forming strategic partnerships, and continuously adapting to changing market dynamics. Microsoft has demonstrated a robust approach to execution. Microsoft's comprehensive strategic analysis utilizing both SWOT and P/ST/L frameworks has enabled the company to capitalize on opportunities and mitigate threats. By effectively monitoring and adjusting its strategies, Microsoft has shown agility in meeting challenges and taking advantage of emerging opportunities. Looking ahead, Microsoft's strategic imperatives should focus on further diversification, advancing technological capabilities, and promoting sustainable growth. Maintaining a customer-centric approach will be crucial for sustaining competitive advantage in the evolving technology sector.